Cooking. It's one of those life skills that all of us need to learn. Same with budgeting. Yet, we didn't thought about it early on and then later learned as we go along in life. When you move abroad, you'd eventually learn how to be self-reliant. Kahit may sakit ka, kahit pagod ka, you would go to grocery. You would cook something to help yourself. Unlike sa Pilipinas, andyan yung karinderya, madali mag-order ng kinikrave mo sa kanto. I honestly did not plan to film today, but I thought of doing konting chikan lang while I'm prepping my meal for the week. I also just wanted to show you what I bought in the grocery and how much I paid. If you watched my cost of living video, I shared na I would draw 300 euros per month as my grocery. Then I broke it down to 75 euros per week. I do pay grocery in cash para nakikita ko at makapag-adjust ako accordingly sa budget ko. If, for example, I have used 50 euro lang, then I still have extra. For this week, I'm planning to have chicken teriyaki and salmon interchangeably for lunch and dinner. I still have something at home for breakfast like wrap and eggs or oatmeal. So for this week, I paid around 30 euros and that's for 4 days worth of lunch and dinner. I guess my point of this video, since our channel is growing and I'm also getting messages from really young adults, may this spark your curiosity to learn how to cook, even the basics. Start with anything fried and anything sauteed. Lahat naman doon nagsisimula. And also learn about paano ba humawak ng pera, paano ba mag-budget. Especially if you're planning to work abroad so you can really rely to yourself. You would be able to see if okay ba yung income mo, if magastos ka ba, if magastos ka, ano yung kailangan mong i-adjust, and all that. Learn how to cook the Filipino recipes you love kasi really pag malungkot ka, no, lakas maka-good vibe nun. Especially if attached with a memory, maybe you'd remember a time no nagluluto kayo ni lola mo na kahit pagod ka sa work, may uuwian kang masarap naman na pagkain. And nothing beats a warm meal after a tiring day. I also started just frying foods. It's basic, but umpisa for sure, sunog-sunog pa yan. I remember just being embarrassed that even the simple frying, I cannot make it right. I also stopped today wishing that my parents could have taught me. When you get older, I guess, it would come to a point that you cannot use that same excuse when you were young. And so, I made it a promise to myself that every week I will try to learn something new. I would be excited to try out new recipes. It had been a form of self love for me knowing that I'm taking good care of myself by eating healthy and cooking what I love. And so I hope you do too. Happy Sunday to all of you. Kain tayo.